Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on a low-end PC. First, let's dive into your in-game graphics settings. You'll want to significantly lower your texture quality to save video memory. Disabling shadows and lighting effects provides a huge performance boost. Also, try reducing your render resolution to around 70 or 80% for smoother frames. Finally, turn off anti-aliasing and motion blur for clearer visuals and better responsiveness. Continuing with in-game adjustments, setting your field of view between 90 and 100 can offer a good balance without overtaxing your system. Make sure to disable depth of field and world motion blur. These often add visual clutter and consume resources. Lowering your streaming quality helps reduce the data your PC needs to load. Lastly, turning off tessellation and ambient occlusion can free up valuable frames per second, making your game feel much smoother. Beyond in-game settings, optimizing your PC itself is crucial. Always close all unnecessary background applications before starting Warzone to free up system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers to the latest version ensures optimal performance and stability. You can also set Warzone's process priority to high in your task manager for dedicated resources. If possible, upgrading to 16 GB of RAM can significantly improve overall system responsiveness and game fluidity. To truly maximize your experience, consider using a solid-state drive for faster loading and less stuttering. Keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures to prevent thermal throttling, which can severely impact performance. Adjusting your Windows power plan to high performance ensures your system is always delivering its best. Remember, playing on a low-end PC means making some visual compromises, but these tips will help you enjoy the game as smoothly as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.